Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video we will be covering trigonometry and how it is used in physics. Now let's say we start off with this vector right here, which is made up of two components. Its vector in the x direction, which we can call ax, and its vector in the y direction, which we could call ay. Now we know by the Pythagorean theorem that a squared equals ax squared plus ay squared, as that is the formula for the hypotenuse of a right triangle, which this right here is. And we can also remember our acronym SOHCAHTOA, which relates each of these sides of a rectangle such that the sine of the angle is equal to the ratio of the opposite, which is ay over a, and the cosine of the angle is equal to ax over a. And TOA tells us that the tangent of the angle is equal to ay over ax. Now, we also know, by taking the inverse sine of both sides, now imagine do that to this side too, that the angle is equal to the sine inverse, or the inverse sine, of the opposite side over the hypotenuse. And that is the same for all these. The angle is equal to the cosine inverse of ax over a. And the angle is equal to the tan inverse of ay over ax. Now, let's say I give you a vector which is composed of a horizontal component, which is due east. And let's say that this is a velocity vector, and this is going 5 meters per second. And at the same time, it is also going 5 meters per second due north. So what would be the velocity vector without these individual vectors? What would be this vector right here, which is the sum of these vectors? Now this vector we can label as vt, as this is a total velocity. So we have vt squared equals 5 meters per second squared, not squared, squared, plus 5 meters per second squared. And we get that our velocity is equal to the square root of 2 times 25, which is the square root of 50. So we know that our velocity is equal to the square root of 50. Now, let's say that you need to find the angle, this angle right here, that the velocity is going above the horizontal line, assuming due east is an angle of 0 and due north is an angle of 90. So what this means is we need our trigonometry, where let's label this side as opposite. This side is opposite. Let's label this side as adjacent. And we know that tangent of theta is equal to opposite over adjacent, which is equal to 5 meters per second over 5 meters per second. The units cancel, so this is just equal to 5 over 5, which is equal to 1. So our tangent of our angle theta is equal to 1. So you take the inverse tan of both sides. And you get that the angle is equal to the inverse tan of 1, which is also equal to 45 degrees. So our angle is equal to 45 degrees. This is our information about our vector. Now let's say you wanted to put it into polar coordinates where you have r comma theta, where r is your total vector, like the magnitude of your vector, and then theta is the displacement, angular displacement above the horizontal. Then our answer would be radical 50 comma 45 degrees. I hope this video helped, as this is, for Physics 1, about as complicated as trigonometry gets. Now, in the next video, I will be doing some river problems, which is just using this, but more applied. So please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you for watching.